Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the FPA e-learning portal. This video clip will show us how to use the FPA e-learning portal as a student. First of all, to access the FPA e-learning portal, you would have to visit the FPA website. That is the Federal Polytechnic Ado-Ekiti website. To do so, locate your URL browser and then on the address bar type in www.fedpolyado.edu.ng and click enter. Depending on your speed of your browser, it will open faster. Now once it opens up, right on the top menu, locate and click on FPA e-learning. On the resulting page, scroll down and click on FPA e-learning portal, click me. And once you do so, you will be directed to the FPA e-learning portal on another tab of the same browser. Now, as you can see, welcome to the FPA e-learning portal. Now, on the FPA e-learning portal, as a student, you would have to locate the course that you are supposed to attempt or take for the section, or perhaps for the semester, or as the case may be, or perhaps as your facilitator has have told you. Now, as a student, scroll down under the course section, available courses. Let's assume you are supposed to take EED 216, which is practice of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Click on it. Now you would wait for it to open up. Now, having confirmed by your course facilitator that you are a student of this course, before now you would have been given your login credentials, which includes your username and your password. Now enter your login credentials. For instance, it will be a combination of your matric number and a password. For instance, let us use this: FPA/12/1-0004. Then for password, certainly this is for password, so you do not expect to see it publicly. So I will type in the password now. Now, after entering your password, now click on Login. Now, if your login credentials are correct, you will be officially ushered into the FPA e-learning portal. Right on top of the FPA e-learning portal, you would see the name of the student that has access or have access to this course. Scrolling down, or right on the top page of the site, you would see the social network links. Each of these icons links you up to the social networking site of the e-learning portal of the Federal Polytechnic Ado-Ekiti. Now let us scroll down and see what we have to do. And now it is telling us, there's an instruction here telling us you must change your password to proceed. Now at first login, this is what you have to do. As you can see, your username is your matric number, and there's an instruction here which says the password must have at least 8 characters, at least 1 digits or digits, at least 1 lowercase letter or letters, at least 1 uppercase letter or letters, at least 1 non-alpha numeric character or characters. Now let's go ahead and change our password. Now, now don't forget that this is for your current password. So you would enter your current password here. Okay, and enter your new password here. Okay, having done that, now click on Save Changes. Now, because it's not done rightly, it is saying you must change your password to proceed. Perhaps it is complaining that I did not meet with the minimum requirements. And now this is what you will face if you do not do it rightly. And let's try again. Okay, having entered your password, your new password, now let's click on Save Changes. Bingo! I think we did it rightly this time. And now it says password has been changed. Now click on Continue. Now once you continue, you'll be ushered into the course proper. But before you begin your course, the first thing to do is to update and enrich your personal profile. How do you do so? Locate your dashboard. You would see my dashboard. Click on it. Now you would see Profile. Click on Profile. Now, having done that rightly, scroll down and you would see your profile. This is what you look like. Now, but there are still information that are necessary for you to put in so that people and your course facilitator can get to know you more. To do so, right on the administration panel, locate and click on Edit Profile. Having done so, the Edit Profile window opens up. Scroll down and populate your Edit Profile page as necessary, following the laid down instruction. Now, you might want to tell people about yourself and who you are. So it is also a good practice to enter a little information here about you. For instance, you would want to tell people again that my name is Oluwa Sheung. For instance, Franklin. I am a student of the Federal Polytechnic, Ado Ekiti. Also, I am a participant or a participant of EED 216. So you can actually populate this with whatever information that you deem necessary for people to get to know you. And scroll down. If you think that's good enough, scroll down and click on user picture. Scroll down. Currently, you do not have any user picture, as you can see. Now, to add your user picture, click on this icon to add your own photo. Go ahead and click on upload a file. Now click on under browse, click on the browse button. For instance, let us just choose a photo here. Click on library and under photos, let's assume this. Once that is done, click on upload this file. You would now have to wait while the file is transferred from your own computer onto the FPA e-learning portal domain. Depending on the speed of your internet, this might take a little time or could also be fast. So you would have to exercise a little bit of patience. Now, as you can see, the picture, or perhaps your profile picture, has been successfully uploaded into the FPA e-learning portal. It is also a good practice to show you another method that you can use to upload your photo. Now let us delete this picture. Delete it. Click on it and delete, and click on OK. Now scroll down. As you can see, it's blanked out. Now go to your computer, and in the location where your picture is, locate, click and drag and drop your photo. As you can see, it will be uploaded. This method usually is much more faster. So I would personally want to use this method, so perhaps you would also choose to use this method. So if this is done, scroll down, click on the picture. If you want to do any other thing, you can. If not, click on update. It's fine. Now scroll down, and if you want to describe the picture, you can say this is, or simply put, Oluwa Sheung Franklin. Okay. Now you could go ahead and add other additional thing. If you have like first name phonetic, surname, middle name. If you have your middle name, maybe it's Jacob, alternative name, but it's advisable you don't put your phonetic surname or whatever here. Just leave that. Then interests. What are your interests? You like reading, researching, internet, surfing, movies, and perhaps and so on. It now depends. Choice is yours. Then you click on options. Is there any other thing you want to add? Maybe like for instance you have a website, you could include www.mywebsite.com. If you don't have, mind to stick it. Let's just use the website of the Federal Polytechnic Ado Ekiti. FED. Okay. If you have ICQ number, sorry, let's correct this. Okay. Now your Skype, if you have, you could put your Skype name, Frank, whatever it is, and your Yahoo ID, Frank, and any other information that you think is relevant. Frank. Okay, you could make art. All right. Then let's scroll down. Then the Federal Polytechnic. Okay. Or let's complete this at yahoo.com. Okay. Then your department is, say it's computer science. Your phone number +23470, whatever it is. If you'd want to, most times you have to copy this and paste it down here. Then your address, if you'd want to, 3 Poly Road. Let's say Fed Poly Road, Ado Ekiti. And if you're through with all of this, now click update. And you have to wait for a while your information is uploaded to the FPA. Wow, as you can see, you're having a brand new personally customized profile. And now you could see my name is Oluseun Franklin. I'm a student of FPA in Ado Ekiti. Also, I'm a participant of EED 216. The country is there, the town is there, your website, and all of other necessary information that would allow people to get to know you more. Now, the next thing now is to go to the course proper. Now, under my course menu, click on it, and it will drop down, a sub-menu will drop down showing you the courses or the course that you have been signed up for by your course facilitator. Now click on Practice of Entrepreneurship, EED 216, Practice of Entrepreneurship. Now once it opens up, scroll down and ensure to read every instruction on your course page. As this reads, this course is designed to equip the student with necessary entrepreneurial skills for self-employment. The course builds on EED 116, but with emphasis and focus on entrepreneurial skills, acquisition, and development. Having read that, scroll down, and it is categorized in course by course level. Usually, you have to start from the beginning, or how your facilitator has instructed you to. Now let's click on course content for practice of entrepreneurship. Click on it. Wait for a while. Depending on if you have a downloader software on your system, this will capture the course content. Start download. But if you do not have, the web browser itself will open up the content in a suitable format, which is the PDF format. Now, for the downloader, click on Open. And this gives you access to the course material. So it's course content for Practice of Entrepreneurship, EED 216. Now, for week 1, the topics are revision of EED 116 and introduction to EED 216. You would have a video for this course. You'd have a video file. Would be the facilitator would be using a video file, PowerPoint file, assignment quiz, an URL for helpful materials. These are the tools that your facilitator will be using to teach you on this online course. The next one is knowing the techniques for generating business ideas as well as for identifying and assigning business opportunities. We would use the same tools to teach you. The next one is evaluating a business idea for developing an enterprise. The next one is methods of production / service selection 1. And so you'd have to scroll down all the way to get yourself familiarized to what you're expecting for this course. And the last one is the 12th topic is role of personal savings and portfolio investment in national economic development. And having done this, you can now close it. And the good news is you will also have this material on your system so you can access it at any time you will. Now back to the FPA e-learning portal. If you've finished exhausting that, now you can click on revision of EED 116 and introduction to EED 216. Okay, open it up. Now you'd have the course material proper. And so here you could start reading the course properly and all the way and all the way and all the way. And if you finished this course, you finish reading this course material, which is also, depending on your browser, which is also saved on your system, you can close it and reach at it for a later time. Yes. So we would have to continue. Let's take a little break. We'll come back to continue with this training course, this training. Thank you very much.